Hello, student. Welcome to TTP tutorials. This is the very channel whereby we always take chemistry lessons. On today's topic, we are going to see mole-mole relationship. Mole-mole relationship. This is when you are given the mole of one reactant or the mole of one product, so that you can solve the other. Okay, so that you can get the mole of the other. So now let us see uh, the mole of one reactant or product is given. Okay, the mole of one product or reactant is given and the other mole is required. Okay, so in this case, maybe you can be given the mole of a reactant, and then now they can tell you to solve the mole of a product. Then you can use this relationship to solve the mole. Okay, so now let us see in example one. Okay, example one. How many moles of iodine are required to react with 0.429 moles of aluminium according to the following equation. Okay, so now the iodine, the each mole is not given. Okay, but the mole of aluminium is given. Okay, so in this case, student, in this case, what you need to know, you need to first get the full balance chemical equation. Okay, after getting that balance chemical equation, that's when now you can solve the mole of the elements that is required. Okay, so now here we have aluminium reacting with iodine. Okay, to give us aluminium iodine. Okay, to give us aluminium iodine. Okay, so now in this case, what you're going to use, you're going to use the relationship. Okay, so how many moles of this one is required to react with this one? So now here it is this relationship, this and this relationship. Okay, so now let us see. So it is 2 moles of aluminium will give you 3 moles of iodine. Okay, or iodine. Okay, so now from here it is 2 moles of aluminium will react with 3 moles of iodine. Okay, it is iodine. Okay, so now how about 0.42 moles of aluminium? 0.42 moles of aluminium, 0.429 moles of aluminium will give us how many moles of this? So now we will put it question. Okay, or let us just put X moles of iodine. Okay, X mole of iodine. So now here you cross multiply. This time is this, then this time is this. So now will be 2x, 2 times x, then will be equals to this time is this 0.429 times 3 moles of iodine. Okay, so now it is 2x. Okay, now multiply this time with this, then will be now 0.4429 times 3. When I get it, you are getting 1.287. Okay, moles for iodine. So now divide both sides by 2. Both sides by 2. So now divide this by this using your calculator. So by 2, when I get it, here I am getting x equals to 0.6435 moles. So meaning the moles that is required is 0.6435 moles. So this is the answer. This is the mole required for iodine. This is the mole required for iodine. So this is the first example. Now let us see example 2. example 2. So now here in example 2, how many moles of oxygen are required to react with this one of iodine or this one of hydrogen? Okay. So now it is the same way we have used. But first of all, do we know the chemical equation of this? No, we actually don't know the chemical equation. So now let's see if hydrogen reacts with oxygen. What compound is formed here? So uh, here, first of all, we need to know the compound formed. So hydrogen, this diatomic atom uh, plus oxygen. We are getting how many here? Uh, Oxygen reacting, hydrogen reacting with oxygen, we are getting water. Okay, you are getting water. Now you can see if the chemical equation is balanced. So now we have two hydrogen on the reactant side, and then also we have two hydrogen on the product side. Now again on the reacting side, we have only two, but here uh, we have here uh, one. Okay, so now let us make this one to be two. Okay, so now again oxygen here is two and hydrogen is four. Hydrogen here is two and oxygen here is two. So meaning hydrogen is four, but this side it is two. So let us put two. So it is two, four, here two, here two. So the chemical equation is balanced. So now let us solve Let us solve the moles of oxygen required. Now here, how many moles of oxygen are required to react with this moles of hydrogen? So you use the relationship. So it is here two moles of hydrogen. We react with here. Remember, we have one mole of oxygen. Okay. So if two moles of hydrogen reacts with 1 mole of hydrogen of oxygen, I mean. So how about this one? 0.75 moles of hydrogen. We now react with X moles of oxygen. Okay. So now you cross multiply this. Okay. So it is X times 2. So it is 2 times X equals to this times this. So it will be 0.750 times 1 moles of oxygen. Okay. So now V2X equals to 0.750 moles of oxygen. Okay. So now here divide this. You want X to remain as the subject of the formula by 2. So here we are getting X equals to, so divide 0.750 divided by 2. You are getting 0.375 moles of oxygen. So this is the answer. 0.375 moles of oxygen. In this case, we have a trial number. So you need to try this number and give me the answer in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, please, to subscribe, share, and like my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and may God bless you.